guys, welcome to part 2 of our piano dash. We're going to do some troubleshooting and some making the background. So we got our player 1 and player 2, but something's wrong. When you press the left key and the right key at the same time, they just sort of drift away into the void. So let's fix that. Go to Control, gotta wait 1 second, change the input to 0.1 or 0.1. Now get another one and do the same and put it here. Now let's do the same for the other cat. So just repeat it here. And you can change the input if it's too slow or fast for you. Now I'm holding the left and right keys. Now the up and down keys. And we see we fixed the problem. You can also fix the bits. So if they're too slow. Now we're going to make the background. So make it red and make sure the brightness is 63. You don't have to be on the spot, and then you make your saturation 75. So that's the ground done. Now we need to do the line in the middle. So you can hold the shift key while doing it. So to make it a perfect line. And then adjust it a bit. There. And let's just adjust the track too. Sorry if I sound different. I got my tonsils removed last week. Make sure the color is green for the grass and layer it to the back. There. And that's your background done. And now we're going to add the wind condition. So get a new sprite, name that wind. Make sure it's centered. And make sure it's the height of the of the road. Now make a few lines. Make sure it's the height of the make sure it looks something like this. And put it in and go to control, get a forever block. And then go to front layer and put it in the back layer. And then when flag clicked, something like this. Alright. And get a one green flag clicked. Get a and in sentencing, get a touching. And set it to win. And then go to sound. Choose a sound. Here. So get the cheer sound effects. And then stop. Play sound cheer until done, and then stop it all. Make sure you drag the sound to the second cat so it will play it, and then drag the code for that into there. Now let's test it out. There. So in the next part we'll do the timer and some other things. And hope to see you soon.